IAS officers in the national capital on a mass half-day leave in protest against the state government's suspension of 2 bureaucrats for allegedly refusing to comply with cabinet orders.
Times now has the copy of that very suspension order. This order, which is very clearly signed by Satyendra Jain, the Home Minister, and has mentioned that there were orders that were disobeyed by those 2 officers. Their names are also mentioned. This is dated 29 December and that they be suspended.
The suspension order by Delhi government setting the stage for a fierce fight for control over Babus between Kejriwal and Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung.
MHA calling this suspension order as null and void also in fact intervened, adding that such officers can be suspended or not only with the consultation of the Lieutenant Governor, as LG is that competent authority, and this work can be done with consultation with the Ministry of Home Affairs.
His government's order declared null and void. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal escalating the attack, taking aim at Prime Minister Modi via Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung.
ऑडिविन फार्मूला जो सरकार लेके आई है पॉल्यूशन से लड़ने के खिलाफ, बहुत महत्वाकांक्षी योजना, बहुत डेयरिंग योजना है, उसको फेल करने के लिए साजिश रची जा रही है। अधिकारियों को डरा के, अधिकारियों को भड़का के, अधिकारियों के अंदर डिवाइड पैदा करके जो अधिकारी काम कर रहे हैं दिल्ली की जनता के लिए।
The Delhi Chief Minister has said that his government is mulling action against the bureaucrats and even pitched to replace bureaucrats with experts.
Aam Aadmi Party, they have lowered the level of politics and now they are going below and lowering the level of the governance. If you are there to humiliate your own officers, then how will officers follow the rules?
अधिकारियों का सस्पेंशन पूरे हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में और दिल्ली के इतिहास में कोई नई बात नहीं है। सस्पेंशन होते रहे, लेकिन आज जिस तरह से सामूहिक रूप से छुट्टी दिलवाई गई और सारा खेल खेला गया कि जिससे कि इस पूरे अभियान को प्रभावित किया जाए।
No government should act in a manner which demoralizes the civil servants unless and until there are justified reasons. Severe action against civil servants should not have been there.
With just hours to go for the implementation of the odd-even formula in the capital, will this ugly face-off take its toll on what Delhi needs the most? Is it time to separate politics from the fight against pollution? Bureau Report, Times Now.